How you doing? My name is Henry Burgos, and I am a law consultant in the state of Maryland. I help anybody in a case where, as long as you didn't destroy anyone's property or destroy anyone's physical, right, with malintention, with bad intention, I can help you in your case. If you, let's say, accidentally hurt someone or destroyed someone's property by accident, I could look into your charges and I can see if I can help you. But usually in those cases, you would probably need an attorney or a lawyer or something like that to speak to somebody who, in those cases, are a little bit different. Which of course the states, all 50 states, make millions of dollars every year off of people who are unknowing or uneducated or just don't want to know what the process and procedure of a case is. And I'm here to give you a hand as understanding what the law can protect. And I don't make up these laws. This is nothing that I created off of myself. I just educated myself in what law and these specific laws because of a law that I had to deal with, and I had to have an understanding of what was going on and what the process and the procedure was to fight the case. Prior to this, yes, this is almost 3-4 years ago that I was charged with transporting, driving with what they called illegal ammo. Prior to that, I was 2011. I was uneducated in the law, and I was charged, and they said that I was guilty for transporting a handgun, which was legally owned by me. And in the Constitution, it says that we have the right to bear arms. And it doesn't say that the Congress or the Senate has the right to take away that right without there being an injured party or a corpus delicti. And if there is no injured party or corpus delicti, delicti, however you want to say it, delicti, delicti, is something that they cannot violate your rights with. The Constitution is very specific, and it is the law of the land, which is, in my educating myself in the law, I did learn that this may sound a little crazy, but the Constitution is for the sea and land laws, right? But it does very specifically say the Constitution is the law of the land. Okay, now in law is very specific. The Constitution is the law. Okay, in that understanding, statutes are not laws. Now they'll title it law, right? As in, people sometimes get the term legal and law mixed together. Legal is legal, law is law. Is it equal? Of course not, because only law can be equal to law, and only statutes can be equal to statutes. Now, if a statute does not abide by the Constitution, then it is unconstitutional. And the charge of transporting handgun on highway, I thought was all right? But in reality, that is a corporate under corporation law, because the United States is a corporation. The Constitution is a contract for employees, right? Now there is the Declaration of Independence, right? That's something totally different, which made us declare that we were separate from England. And in that Declaration of Independence, it says all men are created equal. Such a genius point, right? All right. What we want to have an understanding is that these statutes are against everyone who has a license. If you have a license in the state of Maryland, driver's license, fishing license, hunting license, business license, why do you need these licenses, right? Why do you need these licenses? Because it is a way to control you as a corporate entity, not you as created by man. So if you can have that understanding, in the next chapter, in the next part, I will explain it a lot more to you. Hank Life.